What is up, YouTube? Do you want to have an email list finally? You ever heard that old saying that money's in the list? If so, I have something super duper exciting to share with you because I'm going to show you how I was able to get over 100 buyer leads, 100% buyer leads in under a week and make over $600 in profits doing it, all in about 5 minutes of effort. And it's all going to be done for you. It's coming up in my review of Email Fire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And why would that be? Well, because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people that can bone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Really, Bart? Every single day? This is my own stuff, okay? I'm showing them how I was able to make money and build an email list. This is good. Stop complaining. Do you know how annoying that guy is? Every single day. Sorry, I can't even. Anyway, the way these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. I love this. She's a sweetheart. I just finished watching the 30 Rock special, that they did during the quarantine. Not bad. I mean, especially considering that everything was done with people basically working from home. Pretty good stuff. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so if you are a regular on the channel, you probably are wondering why I'm showing you my Warrior Plus account. This is my Warrior Plus for the past, about a week or so. And just the vendor side, not the affiliate side. I have affiliate sales as well, obviously. Okay. Now, what I want you to see is right here. Okay, this 145 sales, 37% conversions. Look at this, $627.65. Okay, this was pure profit. This on this thing, Durable Free, was pure profit. I didn't even share the money with any affiliates. Okay, like literally, not a single affiliate made a single sale on this thing. I can show you. If I take a look at affiliates, you can see nobody made any of those sales. I made all the sales myself and collected the full $630 or so. Okay, and doing this took 5 minutes of effort, literally 5 minutes of effort in order to make this money, this $627, over 100 fresh leads. These are all confirmed buyer leads. There's nobody here who was just a freebie seeker. And if you don't know the difference, basically the best kind of leads you can get in this industry, or any industry really, are people that we know for sure have purchased something that is of a similar nature. The reason is quite simple. If they purchase something of similar nature, they're more likely to buy more stuff of the same nature later on. Whereas if they just happen to show up and you send them a free offer, like, yeah, sure, I'll take a free offer, why not? So when you see this, these are buyer leads only, and I made money while doing it, and it took literally 5 minutes. I'm not kidding. Literally 5 minutes of my time. Now, if you are brand new, then ordinarily you wouldn't be able to do something like this, because ordinarily you would basically need a ready-made product that you can use this particular method with. I'm not going to tell you the exact method. It's in the video that you get as a bonus with this whole package, but it's super easy to do. It literally takes a few minutes of your time, and I explain everything in detail, exactly how to do it. Okay? Now, ordinarily, as I said, if you're brand new, you don't have a product of your own, you wouldn't be able to use this method. But today is your lucky day. Today, I am going to show you something magical. No, not that kind of magic. Go back to Hogwarts. Anyway, but seriously, I'm going to show you something magical. What I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you a ready-made squeeze page. For those not familiar, the squeeze page basically means the page where you collect email addresses. So I'm going to give you a ready-made page that already has proven itself that people will put in their email address in order to get the free gift. And you're going to be able to give away my product durable right here. This very product is the one you're going to be able to give away. And on top of that, you're going to get half the commissions. You're going to get 50% commissions. So if you were to get the same numbers, the same 145 sales, and it came to $627.65, you would make over $300 in commissions. Okay, that would be in your pocket, money in your pocket. Literally 5 minutes of work to get this set up, and it keeps going again and again and again. You can do this forever. Okay, literally a few minutes of work. You're going to get this whole thing. I'm going to give you the squeeze page. I'm going to give you the right to give away durable for free. Most people do not get the right to give this away. It's not publicly available. I'm giving it to you for free. You get to give this away to build your list, and you make money doing it, and it literally takes 5 minutes of work to do. Now, what do you have to do in order to get it? It's actually quite simple. Go over and pick up my friend Cam Jennings, his brand new product, Email Fire. Okay, these are a set of emails, and this is basically going to fit perfectly in here. It's $12.97. You can see here. I believe he has some shots over here showing how much money he's made himself. Now, of course, people who are regulars on my channel know I'm not a big fan of showing those income shots simply because of the fact, I guess he doesn't have it here. I'm not a big fan of those income shots that a lot of these people show. And the reason that I don't like them so much is because these people are well-known marketers, so they can kind of get away with making more money than you're going to make. The nice thing with what I'm showing you, this works for anybody. Even if you're brand new, even if you've never sold anything online, this makes money, okay? Because the method that I show you is completely newbie friendly. You literally do not need to have any experience. Nada, zilch. Okay, you don't have to worry about driving traffic. The method I show you gives you the traffic included for free. Literally for free. You do not have to do anything in order to make this method work. No requirement to drive traffic. Okay, the only thing you do need is an autoresponder. If you don't already have one, I'll put a link in the bonus page, basically showing you where to get response. It's a good autoresponder. You can use them, get it, use it, make some, and basically build your list that way. You get, I think, 30 days for free. So there's really, this is such a no-brainer. There's no excuse whatsoever that this wouldn't work for you. Let's go and see if I'm going to give it to Cam or not.
You rock!
Now, I didn't talk a whole lot in my review about his product. His product is awesome. Basically, it's a set of ready-made emails that you can use to actually go ahead and build engagement with your brand new list. So that basically, once you do that, you're basically going to be making even more money off of your list. And I didn't talk about that because I want to talk about what I'm giving you, because what I'm giving you is basically a complete business in a box. It is the most user-friendly thing I've ever seen. My cat is here. He wanted to say hello. But Cam's product is awesome also. The only thing is that if you buy it by yourself, it doesn't really help you because you don't have a list yet. Or, you may want to build a bigger list. With my method included and with everything I'm giving you included, this is the biggest no-brainer you've ever seen for $12.97. You'd have to be insane not to go and buy this thing, because this literally is the best thing you'll ever see. Seriously, grab this. This is so amazing. It's going to change your life.